Ever had a moment where you're just about to drift off into dreamland, then suddenly beep, beep? The piercing sound of your fire alarm chirping interrupts? What about when you're at the peak of focus, working on your project, and then the incessant beeping ruins your concentration? Trust me, we've all been there. So you've asked Google, Alexa, or Siri how to stop fire alarm from beeping. And voila! Here you are. Welcome to our channel, your reliable source for practical, do-it-yourself solutions. But before we dive in, be sure to smash that subscribe button, share with friends, and drop a comment below if you've got some beeping horror stories to tell. Get rid of it! Ever wondered why your fire alarm's acting like an annoying roommate who won't stop talking? You see, there's always a reason for that beep. Researchers at the National Fire Protection Association found that fire alarms are designed to beep when they're low on power or there's an issue with the sensor. That's their way of shouting, "Hey, something's wrong here." It's annoying, but it's a good annoying, like a nagging grandma who only wants what's best for you. So, let's tackle this beeping monster. Step 1. Make sure the fire alarm isn't sounding an actual alarm. This sounds like common sense, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to do it. Once you're sure it's a false alarm, step onto your ladder and open the fire alarm casing with your screwdriver. Now, look for a battery compartment. If there's one, remove the old battery and replace it with a new 9-volt battery. And let's say you've got one of those fancy, hardwired alarms. Don't worry, they've still got a backup battery in there. So, follow the same steps. Just remember to turn off the circuit breaker first to avoid any shocking surprises. Now, if you've changed the battery and it's still beeping, then it's time for some deep cleaning. Take your can of compressed air and gently blow out any dust in the unit. Then, use your soft brush to sweep off any remaining debris. Put everything back together and voila! No more beeping. And there you have it. A quiet house again. Isn't it music to your ears? Remember to test your fire alarm monthly to ensure it's in top-notch shape. It's a little thing that can make a big difference in the event of an actual fire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment about how you defeated the beep. Until next time, keep enjoying the sound of silence.